Okay. So the next thing to do is to bring. Let me set this one right. Let me set it right. Okay. The next thing to do now is to what? Click on insert. Click on pictures. Click on pictures. Go and bring those graphs we just did. Go and bring them in. You see that? So separate it. So now I'll redo this one to be here. Then let me bring this one to the front, So I go to bring forward, then bring to front. Sorry. Bring to front. Sorry. Why am I not saying okay? Bring to front. See your son. Then this one. Reduce it also. Let me set it to be equal. Okay. Are we there? So now I can duplicate this one, Ctrl D. I'll bring it down here. What is it? So Ctrl D. Ctrl D. Ctrl D. Okay, so this one. So this one and this one, select them together and come to bring forward, then say bring to front. So this one is now, let me do it again for you. Alright. This is what you have created. Who can tell me what you have created like this now? Who can tell me? What have you created? The adventure on the road. You don't travel. You travel now. When you travel, you used to see those bridges, and when you look through your window, you are seeing sky. Picture. Don't be picturing what you are doing. Don't just learn. Don't just listen and we are putting bushes, we are putting trees. Be picturing it. You begin to, you know where we are driving at and what we are learning. It's speaking here. Something is speaking here. It's telling you that there's something going on here. Adventure on the road when you are traveling. Now, what else do you do? What else do you do? Go to insert, go to shapes, then click on line, then draw the line from here to this place. Now, go and give it a shape outline. Make it thicker. Make it thicker. Then go and give it a style. Go and give it style. That is shape style. Shape. Go to choose something of this nature. Then I want it to be more bigger. I click on shape outline. Then under weight, I click on more weight. So I will increase the size. Is 6 points. So let me increase it. I'm increasing the width. I want it to be very big. Let me just use maybe 40. Zero 40. 40 is too much. Okay, 40 is okay. So No, I read that way. But the dashes. So now let's go and reduce the dashes. Outline. Wait. Dashes. Also this. Then give it a color. White. Is it white on the road? White, I mean, this thing.
It's white.
That means this ash color is supposed to be more dark. It should be more dark.
Like this.
Like this. On the road. So, if you are waiting for video, better continue practicing. Video for video ni. No. Yeah. No mind, they are gossiping there. He did not send the video. What? Very ugly picture. Look for better picture now. Yeah. Yeah. No, the font. Okay.
Our this thing is recording because
Okay. 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 Let me pause and continue.